42% of the guns in the world right here, baby. And his dog's over there snoring. You know why? Because he could sleep well.
Yeah.
There's hard men out there with
Some
pistols
fucking guns, right?
protecting that little dog. Dogs used to protect us. Carl ain't protecting nobody. Carl bites me full blast every day.
Really? He
Sure.
loves that. He loves to meet a man with his face.
He doesn't hurt you.
He doesn't.
No, he's adorable.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? Like, we need to protect Carl. He
Yeah.
can't protect us. That's how soft people have gotten.
We gotta
listen to him over there snoring. You hear him?
Yeah. He sounds like Lee Syatt a little.
When Lee gets too many edibles,